guys, it is Dwood MUA, your favorite Atlanta makeup artist. So I wanted to bring you guys a work with me or watch me work video, just so you guys can kind of like see my process when it comes to giving my clients a full glam. So with this whole craziness that our world is in right now, I always like to make sure my clients' hands are sanitized. My hands are always sanitized and clean. And I do perform a temperature check just to make sure no one is in the chair with the fever. So before we get too deep into the video, I do want to let you guys know that there are several different angles, lighting situations. I was zoomed in, zoomed out, zoomed in again. It was just all over the place. But this was my first time recording with this camera, and an actual video. So I was really just interested to see what it's like and how to really use it and how to get the best out of it. But I hope you guys still enjoy the video nonetheless. This was one of my clients for the day. She showed me a photo of her dress, and it was like a super pretty deep plunge in the back. Girl, it was giving real sexy tease. And it was like a really deep plum color. So I really wanted to play up those tones in her dress, and also give her eyes like a little sexy flare. She pretty much let me do whatever it is I wanted to do, which I always love when my clients give me that freedom, because I feel like that's how you get the best out of me, or just any artist in general. If you go to them and you checked out their work and you love it and that's why you chose them, then just pitch an idea to them and let them do what they gotta do, because if not, you're not gonna like the result. If you are micromanaging and being super just a little too hands-on, it kind of takes away from their artistry. So if you're booking an artist, let them be an artist. 99.9% of the time when I'm working, I always like to kind of step back and check out what I've done so far, because sometimes you really can go overboard if you're only getting one perspective. So every now and then I like to just kind of readjust my client, have them open and close their eyes, turn to the left, turn to the right, so I can really see what I'm doing and make sure my vision is being executed the way I planned it to be. as y'all can tell, I turned off the camera just to pop on her lashes and finish off her bottom lash line. I just went ahead and smoked out that bottom lash line with some purples, a bit of black, and looks like I also used a bit of pink. I truly don't remember exactly what I was doing. I was really in my zone here. But yeah, her eyes have like a really pretty, sexy, catty vibe. And I wanted to play that up with the type of lash and the placement. This is always my absolute favorite part of the makeup application, is seeing everything blend together so smoothly and just start to melt together, and it actually starts to look like something. This is the part when I'm always telling myself, trust the process. Or if I'm doing a client that has never worn makeup, this is definitely when I start telling her, trust the process, girl. I promise you it's gonna come together. I'm not gonna have you out here looking crazy, I promise you. Just trust the process. I got you. as you guys can see, we are finally coming to an end. This look turned out super pretty. I love these eyes. I love that lip. I love that skin, that blush. I just love the look. It was super pretty. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, and definitely leave a comment letting me know what you guys would like to see next. I actually really enjoyed recording this video. It turned out way better than what I thought it did. When I'm working, I really get so focused and I forget, that the world even exists. Be sure to leave this video a thumbs up before you head out of here. I will list my Instagram down below for you guys to follow. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video.